Nityanandam, the precious thing we have is the human body. So many scriptures keep on telling getting the human body is the rarest thing because it's the greatest tool to experience the cosmos itself. This is only through this human body we actually can experience the cosmos and experience liberation or enlightenment. The moment you experience the enlightenment, your life becomes living enlightenment. You can live as a Jivan Mukta. So, what are the different ways we actually can experience that higher consciousness? There are various methods which are prescribed in the scriptures, like yoga, keep on working on your Kundalini and keep on working on your bhakti part of it. So, through the bhakti, also you can be connected with the cosmos. There are various ways. The best and the straight way is going and sitting with the one in the human body who already experienced and established in oneness with the cosmos. Since this technology can be transferred from human body to human body very quickly, just sitting with the other human body which is radiating the cosmos energy directly whenever they are in the oneness or in the samadhi, that is the best way. You also can catch the fire. You also, if you have any kind of prayers, that is the time, the moment you are in front of them, in that moment, the moment you are going to give your prayers, more likely or for sure they are going to be answered. That is the best way. Whatever you are asking, the best thing is going to happen to you. That is why whenever someone who is in the samadhi, never miss a chance to be with them. Or whenever somebody is giving an initiation, that is their willingly they are giving you that experience to you, never miss a chance, because every time you are going one step deeper, you never know at what time it is going to click. So sitting in with the mahapurushas, whoever have this experience and whoever is radiating and giving the dikshas, never lose the chance. Rarest thing can happen is an incarnation who's in the body and giving you, allowing everyone to sit with him and giving you that experience, or allowing you to experience the state in which he is in. You can make use of this beautiful chance by doing the Pada Puja. See, the Pada Puja has multiple dimensions. Maybe I can cover one of the dimension here. One dimension is you experiencing your own higher consciousness. Since we don't know what exactly it is and we don't experience, it is only whatever we know in the theory through the scriptures, it is only still the theory. We exactly don't know what it is. And the best way is sitting with the Guru or incarnation and doing the Pada Puja. Because while doing the Pada Puja, you will be in that kind of state and space of receiving whatever they really wanted to give you. And the Guru wants to give you the same state which he is in, which is the ultimate Samadhi state. That is why, whenever there is a chance for you to sit and do the Pada Puja, whether it is directly, indirectly, or at any particular time, do it. Don't miss the chance. Never miss a chance of just sitting and doing the Pada Puja. And that too, when an incarnation is available and he is making availability to us. Because mostly what happens is, even though there are so many incarnations and gurus who actually can sit in the samadhi for a long time, forever, but we getting the opportunity is the rarest. You cannot get that opportunity that easily, because you really don't know when they are going to go into that state, or when they allow you to sit in front of them when they are in that state. So when an incarnation is actually allowing you to be in that space, giving you that space to be with him, never miss it. Never miss the chance of sitting directly with the incarnation, or sitting directly in front of the padukas which are energized, or sitting in front of the deities which are already connected with the cosmos directly. These are the rarest moments. The moment you are in front of them and do any kind of your worship, your prayer, it is directly going to be answered. And the best thing you really can get being in this human body is experiencing that state of oneness with the cosmos, the oneness with whatever you really can think that's the God or the God. So take your never miss the chance, never miss, never take this thing for granted of doing the Pada Puja and sitting in front of the incarnation and experiencing Nityananda.